I think you can now record this meeting. Ayan. So welcome again sa ating another session of organic chemistry. So last time, Josh, no, we ended up with number 8. So we're tasked to give the RNS designations or RNS conformations for each pair of enantiomers, or hindi lang siya pair of enantiomers, basta all enantiomers given as answers to item number 3. So kung babalikan natin yung item number 3, ito yun, no? So we have A hanggang M. However, not all of them are enantiomers, no? So we already identified kung sino yung mga enantiomers. So ang challenge ngayon sa 8 ay lahat ng enantiomers, lagyan natin ng RNS. So far, ayan, ito yung na bigay natin sa number 3, no? Na mga enantiomers. So, we're done with C and D. E is a chiral, so X. F is chiral, so you need to determine the RNS here. G is a chiral. H is chiral as well. I a chiral. So, J chiral. So, kailangan to kasama to sa number 8. K is chiral, kasama sa 8. Ulit, L is chiral. M is also chiral. So, yun yung mga items na kailangan nating, kailangan nating i-report, no? Yung chirality conformations, like kung R or S ba sila. Okay, Josh? So, continue tayo. You answer na yung the rest, no? So, bababa ako dito and then check ko lang.
Mm.
Ayan. Okay, so, we're done with C and D. Just proceed with the other items, no? By the way, yung M mo, di ba mali yun? May challenge ka doon, no? Kasi ah meron kang error doon dahil sobra yung stereo center mo doon.
Tang, tang, tang. Okay, so ano ba na? Sino na? Red.
Okay? Ayan. So at least you're good, no? Sa dami ng items natin for the R and S confirmation, talagang maano ka. Uh, you'll be trained to name, no? The R and S configuration.
Oh no, I can't move. Wait lang.
Sige lang.
Ayan.
Continue mo lang dyan siya. Wait lang.
I need more bullet. Mhm.
Okay, you're already in letter K.
Oh, so convenient. Nasa likod ko lahat yung H. Okay.
Mhm.
Mhm. Um, easy. Oo.
Ventilator.
Oo. Parang kasi po ng dalawa. R yata po na. Hmm. Dalawa na. I think one natin sa right moves. Uh, so dito muna. What's this? Extra method. Ow. Hmm. This is so sad. Maganda ko kaya. So, hmm, from where kaya? Start. Uh, from here muna kaya. One, yan, change. Orange. Ay, yellow. Hmm. Hmm. One, two, ay, 1, 2, 3. Mm, hindi. 1, 2 lang. The whole tree. Okay. So, two, 1, 2, 3. The longest chain. Okay. Yes. 1, 2. Okay. Ang galing baka masipan mo.
Okay, so for letter L, just be reminded you have two stereocenters there. So, so that you'll be guided kung ilang enantiomers or stereoisomers yung need mo makakita.
Tama. Mm.
Yung last one pa, letter M.
Every single isomer ba
Mhm.
ng MBOT
Yep. So, ilan yan?
is over. Kailangan ko pong ano, every single isomer.
Stereoisomer ang dito dyan. Para at least, no, you're really, ano na, used to drawing chemical structures with RNS configuration. And at the same time, you don't have a problem for the RNS configuration. Five seconds.
Okay. Uh-huh. 8 dapat. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops. 1, 2, 7, 8. Mhm. Accident. Hmm. Mhm. Okay na. So, meron natin sa dyan. Hmm. Hmm. Mhm, mhm. Okay. Okay. So, this is everything. Wow, makes sense. So, mm-hmm. Ano ba to? Uh, Lexicons lang. One. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Ah, wait muna. So, here. Mm, mm, mm,
Something.
One, two, three. R. Okay. I predict this is X. One, one. O, O, O. Sige. So, this must be S, please. Where is it? R. Okay. R. I did. Wow. There was something. One, two, three. S. One, two, three. S. Okay. Ito na siguro yung 2R, 3S. Yung 2S na ito. 2S. 3R. 2R, 3S. I hope. Hmm. Nga. 1, 2, 3. Ay. 1, 2, 3. 2R. 1, 2, 3. 3S. Wow. Okay. And then for M. Oh, da, 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 da. I think I have a way of systematically doing this. Paano kaya? Once. Priority one. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. S. S siya. S. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. S din. Tapos yung 1, 2, sige, 7R. So this must be R. 1, 2, 3. Let's spell R. So easy. Okay. So now there's a system. 5S, 7R.
Oh, Josh.
Ano ba?
Go, Josh.
So may mali po na. Okay. So there's somewhere wrong
Oh,
dito.
hindi ah. Sabi ko lang, go. It's
Mhm.
not yet the complete name as well.
May ano ko na po, may connotation po yan. Clearly, there's something wrong with it. So, 3S, 5S, 7S. 5 mga S. 5S, 7S. Or mali ba tong nomenclature? I think there's something wrong with this. Oh, yes, there's something wrong with this. Tang, 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 tang. Mm. So, may mali po sa notation na to kasi I think it's, iba yan. Yeah. Uh, I think tama naman siya. Okay, so, okay. 1, 2, 3, pareho na pala niyo ako. Naming, or mali ba yung numbering? Saan yung mali? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10, 9, 8. Okay. Mm, let's just dump kung i-end pa dun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oo. Ah. Three S, 5 R, 7 S, 3 R, 5 S, 7 S, 3 R, 5 R, 7 R. R, S, S, S. Okay, makes sense. No, S, S. Tang, 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 tang. So, stop. Okay. So, Wolf Angel. Saan na? Ato. Three lines. This looks good. Ano kasi po yung names ng ano? Nung una. Sino una? Where is it? Diba?
Anong names ng una?
Yung isa po yung,
Albuterol, tsaka ano, chloramphenicol.
sila. Um, L muna. L. So, si L. Where is it? Ayun. Okay, so, ito naman ang kailangan ng name. East Coast, West Coast, East Coast, East Coast. Rwanda. Mm, 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 mm. Complete name ba? Dito sa M. Oh no, yun. Download.
Mukhang okay ka na. Mukhang we're good.
Complete name pa yung M? Or ganun lang ba?
Complete. Kahit
Okay.
ano na lang ang gawin mo yung gawin mo siyang parang variable. X. X equals ito.
Sige ba?
Yun
Uh,
yung name.
ano ba? Natawag doon, it's efficiency, not laziness.
Gusto mo
Mhm.
ba ulitin yun every
Wait,
stereoisomer?
meron naman pong copy-paste, which doesn't
Pwede.
work.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
So, ano po na? So, paano kaya? I think mali yata tong numbering. Tang, tang, tang! Start with
Mm.
the one na may substituent muna. So, alam ko na may mali siya. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Tang, tang, tang! Tang, tang, tang! Okay. Mm-hmm. I knew na medyo suspicious. It's a rather suspicious.
Like what I mentioned, no, tuloy-tuloy yan. So kung ano yung mga na-discuss natin nung alkanes, stereoisomerism, at tuloy-tuloy siya.
Ang okay, so unfortunately, I have to change every single one. So,
Why?
bakit mo?
Why?
Because it's correct. Mm-hmm.
Oh, tell me if that is your final answer na.
There will never be a final answer. Okay, so, dito muna siya sa ano. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Hmm.
Oh, that would mean I need to start over. Bruh, whatever. So, wala na. This is useless. Mm-hmm. Ito muna. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. S. Tama yata. Yes. Okay, S. S, S, R. Magsimula ako 4R, 6S, 8S, 4R, 6. Okay, yes. 4R, 6S, 8R. Ayun, hindi ako magkamali dito sa ano. 6R, 8S, 4S, 6S, 8S. Yes. SSS dapat. Tapos dito is RRR. R, 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 R. For SSSRR. SSR. SSR. Medyo suspicious yun ah. Medyo suspicious.
Mhm.
Medyo suspicious. Why are these two different? Okay, it makes sense kasi they're not suspicious kasi this is the opposite of this. Okay. Uh, SRS. I think that's an acronym. SRS. So, SRS. And then this one is, ano yung una? SRR. Ah, SRR. Sa R, do not redeem. Two, 4, 6, 8. Tetramethyl decane. Tan 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 tan. Okay,
Why?
parang ano yung Ay, oh no. Ayan. Oh no, wala akong paglagyan. Okay, it's over. It's over. Wala akong magpaglagyan ng name. Hmm, I feel like after all of this, may mali pa rin po. So, sana kaya? There is still somewhere. There must be. Huh. Okay, so number muna. So start with the substituent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. May 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, obviously. 2, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, or 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes. Hindi medyo obvious na. Okay, so 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3. S. Okay, obvious, obvious, obvious. Tingnan mo na ako. I'm going to copy both of them. Wow, two birds with one stone, literally. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. If it looks good, submitted. Sige mo.
Okay na?
Mm-hmm. Okay, sige mo.
Don't worry, sa dulo na to. Tignan mo, nag-variable ka din. Akala ka ba gusto mong i-name mo ng buo?
Oh, yes, I need to write for R6S, 8S, 246, 8 tetramethyldecane. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's check letter F muna. For letter F, we have this uh, K2-bromo pentane. 2-bromo pentane. Okay, let's check.
Ayun siya si Bako.
Letter F, nasa harapan ang bromine. So this will be 1, followed by
Wait.
this, and then 2.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, counterclockwise. This should be yun, S. And then, nasa likod ang bromine, pero siya ang priority. 1, 2, 3, counterclockwise. Dahil nasa harapan sa hydrogen,
Should be S.
reverse R. So, correct. 4 points
Wow.
dito.
Tan, 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 tan.
Then next, we have letter H. Okay, chiral. A, B, E, G, H. Okay. Tsaka I. Ayun, okay. So, tama. Ito yung mga chiral mong sagot. We have...
Nasagot po yung achiral. May na-invento pong RNS for yung achiral.
Okay, ito. Bakit nga ulit ano to? Higher
Propyl
priority.
po. Propyl.
Ha?
Propyl.
Kasi longer chain, no? So,
Tama.
kumpara dun sa iba. So, propyl, ethyl, and methyl ang priorities mo. So, um, yung arrangement of priorities. So, one ito, then two, then three. So, nasa harapan naman, nasa likod ang list, no? So, as is ito. So, one, two,
Ginawa
three.
ko nga pala lahat yung una po lahat na naka facing the viewer po yung para yung H is always at the lip.
Yeah, yun na nga yun eh. One, two, three. So kapag ganito ang case natin, as is
Must
to,
be
no?
S.
So R na ito. So automatic, S ngayon yung partner niyan. Okay, I'll give you 4 points ulit dito.
Nice.
And next, we have letter J. So this is chlorine, methyl, and then ethyl. So yeah, correct. Rank 1 dapat si chlorine, followed by this,
Rank
followed
1
by
po
this.
rank 1 lagi po si hydrogen. Increasing
So this
increasing
is 1, 2, 3. So R, correct.
Wow.
This should be S. Okay. So, 4 points ulit dito.
Shish.
Ayan. At
Na,
least nakukuha mo na yung pattern.
mga ano na previous na mali mo. Na drown out mo
Saka
sila.
yung pattern, that is, you need to know eh. Kaya nga I'm giving you a lot of examples or a lot of molecules already para you'll be used to, no, using the
Oo,
RNS
yan ako yung mahirap.
information.
Tong 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 KLM.
So, sa K mo, hydrogen yung nasa likod, OH. And then, carbon pa rin, pero carbon is connected to nitrogen. Ito ay 3. Bakit 2 yung may nitrogen, 3 yung benzene? Eh,
Wala po
double
siyang
bond naman yun.
puro carbon mo.
O, ano naman kung puro carbon? Eh, dalawang carbon
Mas
yung
siya pa yung
connected sa kanya.
mas may priority po yung nitrogen. Yung
Dahil,
atomic number.
okay, correct. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. So, mas mataas si nitrogen
Ano po
sa
maganda po yan.
oxygen.
Lagay na po boron para you would think na it would be higher priority than carbon but actually lower. Ano
Yeah, actually. Mm-mm.
maganda pong pang trick.
Oh, pero may mga organoboron tayo. Mga advanced yan. Nasa advanced na topics na. Organoboron.
Yung aluminum po. Siguro
Oo,
meron.
yung organoaluminum. Mga nasa ano yan? Organometallics. Kasi
Wow.
ano na eh. Ang aluminum ay metal, di ba? So, organometallic compounds na sila. Okay, so with that, once COA.
Paano yung, yung aluminum is a metal, binibreak na po yung staircase. Parang pangit.
Si nagkataon sa group 3 si ano lang, si boron lang ang metalloid.
Tapos sana po si ano yun, dapat parang ano po, boron, aluminum, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium, astatine, tennessine sana po, para perfect staircase. Pero hindi ayaw na talaga po.
Hindi. Mm. By property, si aluminum talaga metal eh. Okay,
Mhm.
automatic. Kung ito ay mirror, chinecheck ko yung drawing mo kung mirror ah.
Ano, hindi, nakabit po yung H, nasa mali pong side yung, kumbaga nasa mali po palang side yung H. -5.
Hindi, tama naman. Okay, this is salsa S.
Okay. Oh,
So, ang name nito, R albuterol, S albuterol. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung ginagamit sa medicine.
magkakaano naman po, magabawi naman po yung tama dito po. Magiging 0 out of 4, tapos nito 0 out of 5.
R, uh, R
Yes,
albuterol.
ako. R-albuterol naman po. Yun na po.
So, R albuterol ang ginagamit as bronchodilator. So, ito, yan. So,
Ah,
ito yung
for
as
some reason,
medication.
levalbuterol or levosalbutamol. Salbutamol
Levosalbutamol.
pala?
Hmm?
Siya pala yung salbutamol? Wait lang mo.
Yeah. Mm-mm. Si
Ah,
albuterol.
okay, salbutamol pala yan. Okay, no wonder. Salbutamol pala yung albuterol. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Salbutamol,
Okay.
yung albuterol. Wow, okay. So, levosalbutamol, yung R na. Bakit yung R levo? Di ba po dapat S?
Ay, ibang usapan ng ano, yung levo tsaka
Di po
dextro.
eh. Siya daw. The drug is the R enantiomer. Not yung ano po. Not yung ano levo po na sa ano, laboratory.
Hmm. Tapos ano yan dyan siya, mas complicated na ngayon kapag medicine na siya. Kasi yung chemical nature niya, kunwari albuterol ang pinaka-active mo. Pero pag sa katawan na metabolize siya, let's say naging levosalbutamol, mag-iiba na naman yun. So baka may onting variation. So yun yung hindi ako ganun ka-familiar, no? So check natin siya later. So balik ako dito kay chloramphenicol. Dahil dalawa ang stereocenters mo, ilan dapat ang stereoisomers? 2 raised to 2, right? So, apat. So, correct, apat naman siya. So, 2R3R, 2S3S, 2S3R, and 2R3S. Yun yung pattern, no? However, i-check ko ngayon kung tama naman yung ano mo, no?
Ano lang pala,
um,
nag-ano pa lang po siya.
position.
So, kasi dapat yung R
Mm.
lang daw po yung active. Pero nagre-raise siya over time. So, isabihin may ano po siya, may expiration date.
Oo naman. Mm-mm. So, nagiging S.
Opo, over time, ano po,
Mm.
magkaka-equilibrium.
So, so dito sa numbering nito, uh, ito ay ketone eh. So, I'm not sure if dito dapat ang 1, no? Pero wala pa naman tayo sa benzene ring.
I don't know
So,
kung nga po kung one ba yung sa may benzene or one ba yung sa may ano,
hindi,
OH.
okay lang yan. Ang mahalaga naman dito, ang tanong naman dito is yung RNS eh. Usually, dapat yung na malapit sa benzene, siya ang magtitake ng first position. Anyway, so check ko lang muna ito. You have here your 1, followed by 2. Tama ba? Kasi carbon, nitrogen. Correct. Then 3. So, 1, 2, 3. This is R. Dapat 3R ang ano mo. Yan, okay, 3R. So, ito naman, nasa likod ang OH. So, ito ang mauuna ngayon. Priority 1, followed by this, 2, then 3. So, this is S. Pero dahil nasa harapan si hydrogen, magiging R. Very good. 2R, 3R to. So, automatic, kung mirror image ito, magiging 2S, 3S ito. Okay, nilikod mo lang si OH, harap mo si hydrogen. Likod si hydrogen, harap ng OH. Okay. So, dito 1 point each na lang yung mga stereoisomer. Very good. So, kuha mo na ito. Ito naman ay 1, then 2, then 3. 1, 2, 3. So, R ito. 3R. Alright. Ito ay C1 followed by this. No, dito. 1, 2, 3. So that is uh, yeah, correct. Nasa likod na si hydrogen. So this should be 1, 2, 3. So S ito. 2S, 3R. Very good. So kapag mirror image ito, likod si OH, correct? So double check ko lang. 1, this is supposed to be 2, and then 3. 1, 2, 3. So this should be R. So dahil nasa harapan, S. 3S. Correct.
Oo. Oo.
Tama. Tama
Yay!
lang.
Okay.
Tama lahat. And then finally, we'll have this problem, no? So ang unang-una yung name nito. Ang name nito, buti na lang nakita mo, sabi ko nga eh, hala, alkanes pa naman yan, hindi na naalala ni Josh yung proper naming for alkanes. So dapat sa may nearest na substituent. Okay? So with our nearest substituent, ito yun, 2-methyl, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So decane, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that will be 2, 4, 6, 8 tetramethyl decay. Very good. So yan ngayon yung ano mo, um, IUPAC name. Kaso lang, using the RS configuration, magkakaroon ka dapat ng 4 RRS, 6 RRS, and 8 RRS, no? Ayan. So, una, nilagay mo lahat sa likod yung hydrogen. So, with this, number 3 lagi. At ito, no? So, longer ang itong sign na to. So, this should be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, this should be R. 4R. O, depend your answer dito sa number, unang-una pa lang, Josh. 1, 2, 3. Hmm. 4R ang tingin ko dito. Bakit 4S sa'yo? Ay, ito pala, sorry. Nasa gilid. Kainis. Ayan. So, 4R ito. Ayan. Check 4R. Next sa 6. Longer na ngayon to. So, 1, followed by this, 2, then 3. So, 6S. Very good. And then 8. Ito ay 1, followed by this, then 3. 8S. Ngayon, kung ano yung mirror image nito, yun yung kabaligtaran, no? So, ang mirror image nito ay nasa likod si methyl, harapan si hydrogen. Okay, so this should be 4S, 6R, 8R. Representative lang tayo, Josh, no? So, let's say ito, si 6R natin. Check natin kung R ba dapat talaga ito. So, we should have this 1 as your priority, followed by this, and then this. So that will be 1, 2, 3. So counterclockwise dapat, yun nga lang, nasa harapan si hydrogen. So babalik na rin. So instead of S, R siya. Correct, 6R ito. Very good. So tama ka sa first two mo, no? Then next, we have the second problem. Okay. Ang pattern is, sinunod mo siya. 4R, 6S, 8R. Very good. Ayan. Magiging another siya. Tapos, okay. So, tama. Correct. 4R, GR, ay 6R, 8S. Dapat, ito naman yung wala mo. Okay, likod-likod. Okay, tama. And then finally, ito yung nasa likod. Si 4S ngayon. Si 4S, 6S, 8S, retain. And then 4R, 6R, 8R. So just to double check, no, dapat yung 8R mo, i-check natin parehas to. Yung 4, number 4, it should be 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So supposed to be S yan, no? So 1, 2, 3. Tama ba tayo? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, R. So, clockwise. So, dahil nasa harapan sa hydrogen, babalik na rin. So, S. So, correct. S ngayon ito. Tapos, yung dulo mo, just making sure, ito, should be 8R. Okay, tama. Ayan, ano ito? Dahil I'll give you 1 point each for stereoisomer. You
Tama.
got 8 points for this. Yes, tama to lahat.
Wow.
So, for number, wala kang mali sa number 8 yata eh. For number 8, yeah, you have 2, 4, 2, 4. Ay, bakit? Ano to? 4 points each ang ginawa ko. So, 1 point each pala ito. So, 2 to. Sorry. Erase. 2 points lang siya lahat. Ito. So, bawat structure ay 1 point na. So, tama yung scoring ko dito sa baba. So, 2, 2, and then another 2. Okay, yan. Dapat 2 din to. 2 din. So, we need to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 12 points na. Plus 4, 16. Plus 8, 24. So, 24 out of 24 ka sa number 8. Wait, let me record your score lang. 24 out of 24. Okay. We're good. So, number 9 na tayo ngayon. Di pa tayo sa number 9. Okay, for number 9, Josh, meron na ako ngayon ditong mga molecules na, no? So, hindi na talaga siya, aanuhin mo lang. Ano nga ito? Um, Hindi na siya mga simple molecules na lang. So, you just need to give me if R or S siya. That's number 9. Sige, go ahead, Josh.
Wow. Okay.
Ano mo na siya? Number 9. So of course, you double check din kung ano yung mga ano nila, kung ilan yung stereoisomers para you can identify kung tama yung structure. Sige, go ahead. I'll give you a couple of minutes for number 9 ulit.
Fine artist. Okay. Paste ko lang po. Mhm.
Go lang, Josh. Double check mo din kung ano ha, kung ilan yung bilang ng stereo centers. Just to make sure that you're guided.
Okay. Uh-huh. Theory center. Theory center. Theory center. Oops. Theory center. One, two, one, two. I think it's fine. One, two, three, four. Yun mo na ano pa ka? Ah, uh,
Just tell me if you're done, I'm monitoring you.
okay, so ah, this is the good question.
Tell me if you're done with number 9 para we can check. Kasi based from my screen, you're done with letter A.
Wait lang po. One. Ito kaya? I'm curious. Is this correct?
Continue mo lang.
Sige, ito na lang. Tama. May carbon, carbon, carbon. Sir, hello po?
Yes, you're done?
Na CR po ko.
Okay.
Pwede ba pong ano? Ano na po,
Okay, pause mo lang.
ano ba? Pito window. Ayun. Okay, so, ow, balik. Oops. Mhm.
Okay, tell me if you're done, Josh, ah.
Kaya muna. Ay, ano, wait. Ginawa. Isip.
You're done, Josh?
Pina mo. Inisip ko po kung ito ba or ito. Tama. So, si, siguro ito. One. I'm making a wild guess. Kasi kung ito po yung one, babaliktad yung ano, so magmamali.
Hmm.
Okay.
About four, ay, letter D. Okay, are you done, Josh? Tell me just if you're done, ha?
Ano ba?
Nasa ano ka na? Letter D. Oh, you're down to the last item. Letter E. Ay, letter F nga siya dyan eh. Letter F, no? Yeah, dapat letter E pala yun. A, B, C, D. Or hindi ko na wala. Wala yata yung E. Anyways. Okay, are you good, Josh? Nasagutan na? Oh, we're down to our last 15 minutes.
Sige ba? Ito kaya yung what? Yun yung question ko pa, Emil.
Hmm? Hindi, ang kailangan mo lang is lagyan mo lang siya ng ano, ng RRS.
Okay. Sige ba? One. Ay, hindi. One, two, three, four. R, one. Hindi. One, two. 3. Yan ba?
I-check na natin. Okay, so for letter A, let me check lang, no? S ang sagot mo. So number one si chlorine, that's correct. Followed by this, alkene group. Then yung ethyl group, no? So one, two, three. So yung fourth mo ay nasa likod na. So one, two, three, that's counterclockwise. This is S. This is correct. So yeah, 1 point. Next, how about letter B, no? So sa letter B, this is challenging. So automatic, Josh, one mo, hydroxide. Very good. Okay? However, malilito ka ngayon kung alkene or this carbon. Ano nga ulit interpretation natin for the one that you set as the third priority? Ayan. Paano natin to ini-interpret? This carbon is bonded to how many carbons? Yes, Josh?
Ano
For
ba?
number letter B, how do you interpret this substituent? The one that you set as number three, third priority, letter B. Okay.
Ay,
Hmm. Is this your third priority? Tama? Ito yung third priority carbon mo?
ano ba?
O bakit Hydrogen na lang ito parehas eh. How do you interpret? Yan. Okay. So, dalawang carbon. How about the other one? The one that you set as the second. Okay. Clearly, three carbons yan. Kaya automatic. Tama ito, Josh, ha? Hindi necessary. It's not necessary na if you have multiple bonds, sila kagad ang priority. You also need to check the other substituents. So, eto ngayon yung magiging third mo. Second, ito. Yung tetramethyl mo, no? Kasi, ay, trimethyl rather. So, trimethyl yung ano mo dito substituent dito sa carbon na to. So, this should be two. Correct. So, one, two, three. Nasa harapan si hydrogen. That is counterclockwise. However, nasa harap siya is magiging R. So, letter B is R. This is correct. Yan, 1 point ulit. How about letter C? So, bakit priority mo kagad yung 1, yung alkyne? Bakit priority yung alkyne? Eh, tatlo din naman to. Right?
Ano ba? Gusto nga lang, banded to 3, banded to ano po na. Yun.
Okay, correct. So ngayon, kapag equal ang mga single bonds and multiple bonds,
Multiple
you now
bands.
prioritize yung multiple bonds. Kaya one dapat ito followed by this trimethyl group or actually ano to third, no? Third butyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Third butyl substituent and then methyl. So nasa likod yung hydrogen mo as is ngayon yung counting nito. 1, 2, 3. So that's S. Very good. Counterclockwise. How about letter D? Double check ko lang din yung ano natin, no? So, okay. Letter D, ito lang yung ating substitute series center. Okay, priority natin oh, sinong priority dito? OH, carbon or carbon? Ito yung ano mo yung center mo, Josh Ayan, no? Sinong priority dyan, Josh? You go to letter D, Josh.
Ito mo muna. Ay,
Why?
oh no. Oh
Ayan,
no.
may carbon ka dito
Oh
Clear,
no.
this is carbon, no?
Oh no. Ito mo muna. 1,
Okay. So,
2,
mali mo naman, yung
3.
pag-ikot ay
Oh, oh my gosh. Saved by the bell.
Yun, check natin ha.
Oh,
One, to, followed by this is C, then O, C, then O, then P. So, ano ngayon to? Sinong priority mo? Pakibura na mo, ibuburahin ko yung original mo ha. Ayan. Okay. Then, pakilagay ulit yung priorities. Sinong 1? Okay, automatic si OH yung 1. Sige, lagay mo ng 1 yan, Josh. Yes, Josh.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, bakit yung aldehyde muna over the phosphate group?
Sama?
Dihydrogen phosphate group.
Kasi
Bakit yung carbonyl muna?
OPO, ito naman O lang po na. Double, tsaka
Mm-mm.
C pa to eh, CC.
Okay. Okay, good. Kasi yung simon na to, literally bonded siya for two oxygens. How about this? Isang oxygen lang. So, itong second mo. So, this is 1, 2, 3. So, this is still R. So, R yung ano mo. Mali lang yung setting of priorities mo. Pero, R siya. Nagkataon lang, no? Coincidentally, R din siya. I'll give you 0.75 for this. Kasi, mali yung original mong setting. Yung priorities, no? Setting of priorities. Yan. So, 0.75. And then finally, this letter E, no? Aha. By the way, yung previous one, no? That's glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Intermediate yan sa glycolysis, no? May mimit mo siya sa biochem. Anyway, punta tayo dito sa next. So, R daw ito. So, ang priority ay 1, 2, 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, correct. So, this is clockwise, R. How about this? Ito ang 1 mo, and carbon, carbon, carbon. Ang susunod ay, ito ay dalawang carbon na. Ito ay isang carbon pa lang, isang carbon. So, ito na kagad ang 2. And then, we have here, so, susunod na ay carbon. Ang susunod ay carbon. So, ito na 3. Least priority mo pa ito. So, nasa harapan yung pinaka-priority mo. So, 1, 2, 3. That is counterclockwise. Pero dahil nasa harapan yung priority, inverse mo siya. So, R. Correct. Yung letter F I R R. I'll give you 2 points for this. So, this is 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 5.75 over 6. Ayan. Kasi mali yung setting of priorities mo for uh, na letter D. Sige, we still have time pa naman, Josh, pero isa na lang. Ayan. Draw all possible stereoisomers for each compound. Label pairs of enantiomers and diastereomers, if ever you have, no? So, you start with ibuprofen. Yun lang.
Ay, view pa.
Sige, go ahead, Josh.
Sige mo, okay naman.
For number 10, let's go to 10A lang. Draw all possible stereoisomers for each compound. Label pairs of enantiomers and diastereomers if you have, no? So, letter A lang muna tayo, ibuprofen. So, copy mo yung ibuprofen. Ayan. Then, place mo number 10. Ah, dito tayo dito. That is number 10. Okay, tapos, baba tayo. 10A lang. Let's proceed with 10A, Josh. 10A is ibuprofen. Sige, go ahead, Josh. Pakilagay yung structure ni ibuprofen.
Ay, wait naman. Pinapaste ko sana pa eh. Ayun.
Letter A lang muna tayo ha,
Sige
since
ba?
we're running out of time. Ayan, i-crop mo muna sila. Ibuprofen lang. Hindi, sige, okay lang. Si letter B naman, sagutan natin. Okay, and then, sige, go ahead. Draw mo na ngayon yung ano nila, yung enantiomers. So you need to redraw ibuprofen this time kasi you need to present it using the wedge broken line presentation, no? Or conformation. Okay. Sige, Josh, where are you? Pakisulat. For ibuprofen, I need the enantiomers of ibuprofen. So according to you, you have two steer centers for ibuprofen. Sige, go ahead.
Okay, so, wait lang mo ah. One, ay, wait.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And then, okay, good. Tapos, okay. You have your benzene. Okay. Okay. And then you have your CH. Then you have CH3. Okay, C, double bond O, then OH.
Wow.
You
Ano
have
naman
your
ito?
carboxylic.
Skeletal
So
X.
carboxylic. Yan lang. Okay, so show me the enantiomers for that. Kasi you, based from your answer, you have two stereocenters. Okay? Sige, Josh, continue mo lang. Gagawa mo na lang yan ng wedge and broken lines.
I don't know, honestly. Wait lang mo ah. So, gawa lang po ako ng 1, 2, 4 po na.
Mhm. I don't know sa'yo ha, kasi practice set to. Ayan, and then, hmm.
Mm.
Okay, you may now transform it into wedge and broken lines na presentation.
Try kong
Okay, tapos, okay, nasa harapan yan. And then, broken line yan. Okay, then broken line din yan. So, parang you have your mirror image. Ayan, okay, good. Tapos, okay, good. Hindi ako magbibigay pala ng clue. Mhm. Then, what's the configuration, Josh? Lalagyan mo lang ng stereo center. Where are the stereo centers? And then give me the configuration of your stereo centers. That's what I need dito sa item na ito. Yes, Josh? So that we can
Ano mo? Ano mo?
continue this sa next Sa Saturday ha, pwede
RS
kitang
mo?
i-meet. Mm-mm. Yeah, yeah. The RS.
Ah,
Yan.
wait ako ah.
Based dun
Select ko.
sa drinawing mo.
1, 2, wala. Wala dito stereo.
Mhm. May change of heart pong nangyari.
Kala na po trick na po ako ah. Mhm. Na it's not happening today.
Ayan.
ano, ano,
Nung
niyo po, parang
nagdo-drawing ka na kanina,
tigil
sabi
ko
ko,
po eh.
okay.
Parang, medyo magkakamali na siya.
Pero ano naman, I know that you will notice it immediately dahil kapag nag-RS ka na, dun mo i-analyze yung mga substituents. So definitely, you can clearly see that you have two metal groups, no? So sa carbon na ito. So this one is not a stereocenter.
1, 2, 3. S, R.
Okay, so check lang natin. So, ito yung priority mo based sa'yo. Correct naman, carbon and oxygen. Ito kasi ay carbon-carbon. So, this will be 2. And then this will be 3. So, as is ito, no? 1, 2, 3. That's counterclockwise. So, S to, then R ito. Correct. So, ayan. You have 2 points for this. Ayan, dyan muna tayo hinto, no? So, next meeting, Josh, on Saturday, we'll continue all other items of number 10. Okay? So, hopefully, by next week, tapos na natin to lahat. Para we can go back dun sa ating analytical. Stop muna tayo sa organic. We go back to analytical para lang maalala pa natin yung mga kinakalculate pa natin. Titration yata tayo nag-end ng poly uh, uh, polysystem, polyprotic systems, no? Either acidic or basic. I think we're done with the acidic one. Ang isosolve na natin ay polyprotic bases. Polybasic. No? Kasi protic means pang ano siya, pang acids. Okay, so we're good. Stop share lang ako. Ayan. So, nawala na naman ako.
Wow.
So, feeling ko kapag ano lang yun, kapag lumiliit, kapag may sinishare ako. Sige nga, share ko ulit ito. Share. Ayan. Tapos, ayun, o, di ba? So, next meeting, we'll have the other items, no? The rest of number 10. And hopefully, we can finish, let's say, until mga 12 or 13. Depende kasi yun sa, sub-items, no? If I'm not mistaken, ayan, padami kasi ng padami yung mga sub-items dito. Okay? So it's like we're solving a lot of items per item. Yeah. So with that, thank you so much, Josh, and I'll see you on Saturday, ha?
Okay ba?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay ba? Thank you ba?
Mhm.
Okay ba?